Another attempt at microwave chunks. Well, I guess it's better than the last time, because the last time I burnt it. I burnt it twice. But y'all, this is the Argo. I know they're probably not even crunchy because I did not let them sit in the freezer for long. I couldn't wait. I was so anxious. Mm. 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 Squeaky. Mm. Yeah, these are kind of squeaky. They're not crunchy. It makes sound like it on camera, but it's really not. They're still warm. Well, they're not burnt, but they also aren't hard. I may have to let them sit out a little. I might put it back in the freezer. Uh-huh. I know I should have let it sit in the freezer longer. Because I know some people going to be like, you should have let it sit in the freezer a little longer, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know. But I just wanted to see how it's going to come out. I might try it again. But I might have it in the microwave a little longer and I might pack it down a little better. I was being a little impatient. But yeah, I might put these back in the freezer. Just like this. And just let them get cold because these are hot. It's kind of burning my tongue. And hot chunks taste weird. But these are good. They're not burnt or whatever. It's just, I don't like that hot or warm taste, I guess. Hot. And y'all, honestly, don't let the camera sounds fool you. Sometimes it'll make sound crunchy when it's really not. It's really soft. They can look good and sound good, but if you were actually eating it, sometimes it's like really soft. But I realize it just sounds that way on camera. So Because if it was really crunchy, from the first crunch to the last crunch, it'll last a few seconds. But if you just hear one crunch from the time the person put it in their mouth and then all of a sudden you can't hear them chewing anymore, that's because it's really soft. The inside of the chunk is still soft. It's not crunchy all the way through. See, like that. All right, one more. Cause these are good. It's hot. I mean, I sat it in the freezer for like an hour, but it's still hot on the inside. Mm-mm-mm.